Most people think success comes from sheer willpower and constant motivation. But the truth is, motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. James Clear, in Atomic Habits, explains that your environment shapes your behavior far more than motivation ever could. If you've ever wondered why discipline feels so hard, this video will show you how to stop relying on motivation and start using your environment to make habits stick. Motivation is inconsistent. Some days you wake up full of energy, ready to tackle your goals. Other days, you can barely drag yourself out of bed. If your habits depend on motivation alone, your results will always be inconsistent. Instead, James Clear argues that you should design your surroundings so that good habits happen naturally. By adjusting your environment, you make it easier to do the right thing, even when motivation disappears. Every habit begins with a cue, and most of those cues come from your environment. Walk into the living room, see the remote, and suddenly you're watching TV. Sit at your desk, see your laptop, and you're ready to work. Hear a notification ding, and your hand instantly reaches for your phone. The secret is not to fight against these cues with discipline, but to reshape your environment so good cues are everywhere, and bad ones are removed. There are 3 practical ways to design your environment. First, make good habits obvious. Keep books by your bed, water on your desk, and gym clothes ready. Second, make bad habits invisible. Hide the junk food, delete apps, and put your phone in another room while working. Third, prime your environment for success. Prep fruits and veggies ahead, or create a dedicated workspace. When your environment is set up for success, willpower becomes almost unnecessary. James Clear wanted to practice guitar more often. Instead of depending on motivation, he placed his guitar in the center of his living room, where he would see it daily. The result? He naturally picked it up and played regularly. No motivational speeches, no guilt trips, just a simple environmental shift. That's the power of cues. By placing the guitar in sight, he turned practice into an effortless, automatic part of his routine. The lesson here is simple. Don't rely on motivation. Design your environment. Motivation fades, but your surroundings shape your behavior all day long. Change your environment, and your habits will follow. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. And your environment is one of the most powerful systems you control. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share one change you'll make to your environment today.